Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from DR.ARSHNOOR'S OET Institute. Today I'm going to explain some important sentences when you want the active conversation from the patient also. Students, it is significant to have active conversation with the patient while giving advice or when you are giving information to the patient. It should be two-way conversation, not a single-way lecture or just you're delivering a lecture. In that case, you won't be fulfilling your task properly and you will be on the negative side. It may be doctor, it may be a nurse or any other medical professional. You have to be careful about this. While giving information to the patient, you have to involve the patient actively. How or what sentences you can use? I'm giving the list of that. Is it clear? Or is that clear to you? Am I clear so far? Or am I clear till now? Hope I have made myself clear to you. Do you think you can do this? Suppose you are asking the patient to do exercise regularly, so then you can ask his consent. Hope I have made myself clear to you, or do you think you can do this? Do you need more information about this? How does it sound? Do you want me to explain anything more? Or would you like me to tell you more about this? By this, the examiner or the patient will tell about his perspective and it will be the active conversation. It won't be one-way conversation. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you should get our latest videos whenever we upload these. If you need personal help to clear your OET test, you can call us at the given number. Thank you so much for watching this.